This is how to create a new advertising account on Facebook Ad Manager. This is how to create a new advertising account on Facebook Ad Manager. First of all, when you log into your Facebook account, you go to your left hand side and click on Ad Manager. Then it brings you to this place. So from here, you come to your left hand corner and click on All Tools, and then you will see Business Settings. Okay, so you open the business settings. You'll be asked to select the business manager. If you don't have a business manager or business portfolio, you'll be asked to create one. So in creating one, when you click here, it will allow you to put the first and last name and the email, and then you will create. After you create, you just go back and begin the process like how I started. Then now come in. When you click on the settings, it will just take you. It may even not ask you to select. It will just take you to the settings. But this is the one I want to select because I have many and they are asking me. So when you get to the business portfolio or business manager settings, you now click on Add Account, and then you click on Add, then you click on Create New Ad Account. Then you can put the ad account name, new ad account, and then you select the time zone, and then you click on Next. Then you click on This is for my business, and then you click on Create. Then you select your name and turn on Manage Ad Account and click on Assign. Then click on Close. Then you come back and refresh this. You will see under the ad account at the right hand side, you see Open in Meta Ad Manager. So you click on it. So it opens you to the Ad Manager, and then they ask whether the business focuses on politics. No. So you can now start running your ad campaigns right away, and then you can add your payment method and all of that. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us if you need any help, and we will do that for you. Thank you once again.